So we have just arrived in Dragobrat, which is Ukraine's highest ski resort, and it's snowing, which is perfect because we weren't sure if we were going to have fresh snow or lots of snow, and yeah, it's very exciting. We rode up the mountain on this van, snow chains included. So this is our second full day at Dragobrat, which is Ukraine's highest ski resort. Today it's New Year's Eve and we were supposed to get a whole bunch of snow, but right now it's raining. So we're gonna have breakfast and hope that that changes while we're having breakfast. So even though the conditions aren't great for skiing, we decided to take the ski lift up to the like the top, kind of the top. It's like a saddle between two peaks, and there's like a little cafe there. So we stayed there for a while. The skiers did a couple of laps. I don't know what you would call it. Oh.
She is bringing one more.
What's it like at the top?
It's very nice. It's very nice. It's a little challenging because there's powder on top of bushes and you can just fall through. It doesn't look like that from down here, but I went up and that's what it's like.
And now I'm heading back by myself and the skiers are going to ski down. Again, I don't know how to ski. I don't know why I keep coming to ski resorts in Ukraine. But it's gorgeous. And it started to snow again. So my lens might be wet, but it's really pretty. So I want to give an honest reflection on my Dragobrat experience as of December 31st, 2020. It's wet. It's like wet because of the rain. It's, you know what, it's really sad. This is rain. There might be like a few snowflakes in there, but for the most part, it's just rain. It could all be snow. I would say maybe if you want to come to Dragobrat and you have a flexible schedule, wait until January or February. Their ski season goes pretty late as far as I understand, so there's no need to risk it for December if you don't need to be here, if you don't have like those vacation days like I do as a teacher. It's okay, it's still really beautiful here. It's not like prime skiing. I guess. I mean, I don't ski, but if it's not prime riding the ski lift time, I can't imagine it's prime skiing time as well. So last night was New Year's Eve, and I got to celebrate it in Dragobrat, which was so cool. The fireworks were amazing. So cool. We kept it kind of an early night. But it did start snowing, which is great for the skiers. Now we have snow, not ice. The skiers have already started skiing, and I'm still not ready to learn. So I'm just going for a walk and enjoying the beautiful winter wonderland. So most of the hotels in Dragobrat are like a package deal. So when you're booking your room, you are also booking meals. At our hotel, we have breakfast included and dinner included. And the total price that we paid for one night plus 2 meals was 1,300 grivna. Okay, so breakfast is served between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, and dinner is at 7. It's plenty of food. We definitely haven't gone hungry. You can buy drinks because those are included. Coffee with breakfast, or beer or wine or with breakfast or dinner. All of the hotels have restaurants, so you can just go to any of them for lunch. They just operate like normal restaurants. That's it. The food's been pretty good so far. missed my chance to learn how to ski again. This is my second ski trip in Ukraine and I still don't know how to ski. I did want to learn. I did. And I had a plan. And I was going to do it today after lunch. But today is our last day and some of our friends were leaving, which is why I chose to do it today. Because I was like, I can go kind of more at my own pace and not bother anyone with like my beginnerness. Lunch just dragged for like ever. Like hours, and I don't even know why, because all we ordered was like potato pancakes and some drinks. So by the time like lunch was over and like our friends had to leave and there had to be like skis returned and all of this stuff, it's just too late in the day for me to go rent skis now. A ski rental place closes at 6, I'd have to rent the skis, learn to ski, and give the skis back all in like 2 hours, so not gonna happen on this trip. But it just means I get to come back, because I will learn how to ski someday.
I suppose it could be fun for a little bit, but yeah, I saw one guy going down the ridge looking like Pikachu.
So it didn't stop raining after breakfast, but it did stop like precipitating in general. So I guess it did stop raining after breakfast. Look at you. Just like a little bit of grapevine to make George dance. Anyway, the skiers already got off. The skiers have already started skiing. Hello, puppy. Hello. Oh my goodness, he's so beautiful. No, he's not interested in me.